What's up, y'all? We out here just adventuring and shit. Fucking slippery ass moss shit. But we're looking for deer up in this bitch. So, don't know what we'll find, but there's a nice little creek back over this way. Follows up through there. You got these big old trees cut down. Ooh, that felt unsteady. Let's go down this way. Here. Yep. Just a little adventuring. That's about it. So, pretty cool stuff though, man. We got a nice little area down here. This is the creek I was telling you guys about. Runs all the way up to here. All the way like that, and bam. See, our truck is all the way up there. All the way out here. So, I'm feeling pretty good about it. I think there would be a good chance for deer. Kind of deep though, honestly. I'm gonna go around this. Or we go back the same way over there. And the number one thing you gotta look out for are these fucking Jaro spiders, man. These little bitches hurt. I haven't seen one yet to where I went, but I will eventually. So, fucking reflective ass water. Partially waterproof. Works good enough for me. So, yeah, there's no way I'm making that shit. But I'm looking for foot traffic that I don't see any. Oh, here's foot traffic. Right there. It's a deer. Yeah. That's deer. And you can see here's another one. Right here. I don't know if you guys can see that good. Right here is another deer track. Right there. So there's some foot traffic by the water. Alrighty. Oh, look at the little guys go. Zoom they down. Little creek chubs. That was a dragonfly that just went by. And they just chilling though. Just a chillin'. But yeah, man. I forget. This is a WNA. And it's pretty good, to be honest. I mean, there is trash bags down here, but besides that, there was some foot traffic down that way, which is a good sign. Now we venture back up through here. And yes, these boots are waterproof. So do not worry. Just making our way back. Oh, shit. Let's see. Yep. That's why I wear waterproof boots, because of this shit right here. Well, that's our little adventure for now. See y'all then.